Get ready to step into a fashion evolution story that's as captivating as it is stylish. Today, we're diving into the world of Adidas and their iconic Tokyo sneaker, which has undergone a stunning transformation. Imagine a shoe that started as a minimalist's dream, only to morph into a maximalist's fantasy. That's the journey of the Adidas Tokyo MJ Snakeskin Metallic Silver. This sneaker has a rich history, dating back to the 1964 Olympic Games in Tokyo. But it's the recent reincarnation that has me intrigued. Originally, the Tokyo was all about simplicity and functionality. Fast forward to the present, and the Adidas Tokyo MJ is a ballet-inspired Mary Jane sneaker with a twist. It's like the fashion world said, let's take a classic and give it a modern, edgy makeover. And boy, did they deliver. The MJ version already caught my attention with its elastic straps, a unique departure from traditional laces. But Adidas didn't stop there. They went full-on maximalist with the Snakeskin Metallic Silver edition, embracing a bold, shiny aesthetic. It's a statement piece that screams, "Look at me," and challenges the very essence of its minimalist origins. What I find fascinating is the timing of this release. As we transition from winter to spring, the fashion world encourages us to shed our dark, cozy layers and embrace vibrant, playful styles. This sneaker embodies that seasonal shift, urging us to ditch the all-black kicks and celebrate the sunshine with a splash of metallic silver. It's a refreshing take on seasonal fashion, pushing us to think beyond the typical color palettes. But here's the thing, this sneaker isn't just about making a statement. It's part of a broader trend that challenges the boundaries of sneaker design. The Adidas Tokyo MJ Snakeskin Metallic Silver is a rebellion against the status quo, a celebration of creativity and self-expression. It's as if Adidas is saying, why play it safe when you can turn heads and spark conversations? In my opinion, this sneaker is a bold reminder that fashion is an art form, and sometimes the most unexpected combinations can create the most captivating pieces. It's a fusion of elegance and edginess, minimalism and maximalism. And that's what makes it a must-have for anyone who dares to stand out from the crowd. So, are you ready to embrace the maximalist within and let your feet do the talking?